That's my plate.
Tonight, I am going to try a recipe that one of you guys, my subscribers, have given to me. Okay, so if you remember this video last week, I tried a recipe with chicken and cream cheese in it, and it was a catastrophe. It had no flavor. It was just really horrible. And one of you came to my rescue and said that I should try it with frozen brie. Okay, so the subscriber that told me about this recipe is CFQ25. I have no idea what your name is. I just realized that. CFQ25. Tell me your name. I need to know your name. Okay, but you came to my rescue. You said, try frozen brie inside of the chicken breast. Wrap it with bacon, do the toothpicks, and bake it. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. But I am more hopeful tonight than I was about the last recipe that was a total disaster. And that's exactly what we're here to do, right? Help each other out. The recipes that I'm finding, I am sharing those with you. So I want to welcome you guys. If anyone else has any recipes that you think that I should try, I would love to know about them. Okay, so let's get started. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to butterfly the chicken. I'm going to brown it and I'm going to season it with Santa Maria. Here we go. Okay, so I have 2 chicken breasts, and CFQ25 said to open them up, but don't open them up all the way. So kind of like butterfly, right? Like this. Okay, this one I think I did a little lopsided. And I'm going to do the same thing to the second one. And just open it up. Ooh, that one came out perfect. That's great. I absolutely love this salt. It's called Santa Maria. And we get it at Whole Foods, but recently David found it at Pavilions. We love salt. So I'm going to salt freely. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brown it for a minute or 2, and I'm going to use ghee in my iron skillet. So while that is browning for like a minute or 2, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to cut the frozen brie. CFQ said to freeze it because it would be easier to put into the chicken. She probably meant slice it before you freeze it. Okay, that came out really good. I think each chicken breast is probably going to need like 2 or 3 of these, so I'm just going to keep on cutting. So now I have 4 slices of thick pieces of frozen brie. I think this is going to be really good. Hey, Google, set a timer for 1 minute.
Got it. 1 minute.
Hey, Google, stop.
I do.
Okay, so the chicken came out great. So now what CFQ said is to put the cheese inside. I'm going to put 2 pieces of brie cheese in both of them, like that. And then a second one, both of them in there. The next thing she said to do was to wrap it in bacon. And I am going to be generous, and I'm going to wrap it in 2 pieces of bacon. And then the last thing that CFQ said to do was to pin it down with toothpicks. I think I just stabbed myself. Ow. All right. That looks amazing. I think the other thing I want to make sure of is that the cheese doesn't slip out. So I'm going to take these openings and I'm going to put a toothpick right alongside to kind of close up the chicken, I think. That way we don't lose the cheese that's on the inside. I'm going to bake these at 400 on top of parchment paper. It almost fell. Okay, so I've already preheated the oven to 400. CFQ actually thought that 40 minutes the last time I made the chicken was a little too long. So I'm only going to do it for 20 minutes this time. Okay, I actually have a really good feeling about this. I think this recipe is going to redeem my last two recipes that were a catastrophe. Okay, I think I'm going to earn my chef's hat after this. Whatever. Oh, gotta singe my eyelashes off. Oh, I don't know. Does it look ready? Done to you?
Nope.
It's been 20 minutes. Doesn't it look ready?
I don't see the bacon really cooked well.
Okay, so we're gonna go another 10 minutes. All right. Hey, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. So we baked it for 20 minutes and David didn't think that the bacon or the chicken looked done. So we're gonna go for 30 minutes. We've added another 10 minutes to just really get it well done. Okay, now it's ready. Hey, Google, stop. Get out of the way this time. All right, that looks really good. I think this looks much better. Look at that. Woo-wee! Okay, I think that is going to really be good. All right, let's try it. All right, I think I'm going to cut it in half and see what the inside looks like.
Okay.
All right. I see cheese. I see cheese. All right, let's taste it. Okay. Let's not burn ourselves. Wait. Oh, I thought you were going to put it in your mouth. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go. Oh, hot.
You first. What do you think?
I love it. I love it. I can taste the brie. It's super strong. I love it. I do love it. Oh my gosh. This is good. Finally, I get my chef's hat.
Be careful. Swinging that knife around.
I'm going to celebrate. I get my chef's hat because this is really good and it's super simple. It's not like it took any skill to make. What is the problem?
Put it in your other hand.
This is really good. Okay, it's dinner time. Brie, chicken, and bacon. Wow, CFQ. You were right. This is amazing. This is really good. It's really good. And it was easy it's like chicken for dummies. Chicken for dummies, because I was able to make it, okay? And it tastes really good. All right, guys. Let me know if you're interested in trying this, because I would like to know how it came out for you and what you think, okay? I'll see you guys on the inside. I see you stealing all that stuff. Who said you could have all that?
Okay.
Crispy brie. Yum.